it's Nick. I'm here on Sukhumvit Road in Bangkok, Thailand. It's about 1:45 in the morning. I'm gonna head back to my hotel. Let's see what's going on Sukhumvit at this time of night. I just had a burger and pizza and a beer at this craft beer pizza burger place. Margarita pizza, kind of small, $2.90 baht. What's that, about $8 or something like that? So, beer, 140 baht. Burger, 140 baht. Nice place. Got a guy singing live. Midnight in Bangkok. Not bad. Place looks pretty lively. We got live music. That looks pretty good. So the place that I was at, they had some live music there as well. People are still eating late at night. It is Friday night tonight. And although this section of Sukhumvit doesn't look that busy right now, there's a lot of places that are still packed. So, this guy's driving a Ferrari right here, apparently. That's what it says. Cross over because I want to see what's going on the other side. The whole kitchen over here. Capone's Pizza. Trying to figure out what's going on this street. I don't know if this is something that I could put on YouTube or they censor it or what. But, no thank you. I don't know if I could put this on YouTube or if they really want people filming through here. I'm not going to try to really put anybody on blast. Just walking through. girls grabbing you in Thailand because a lot of times they're not girls.
And I recorded this all in the morning.
Like I was saying, the people who try to grab you, usually they're not women, and they're grabbing you not because you're irresistible, but because they're trying to pickpocket you. So unless you have people, women coming up to you to try to grab you everywhere you walk, even in Peoria, Illinois. If that happens to you, good for you. That's not most of us. So when you see someone coming up to you and they want to touch you and they're so enamored with you, it's not because of you. It's because what they think you have in your pockets that they can take. So be careful with that. Here's a hint. If the chick that comes up to you is taller than you, that's a good clue that maybe something is amiss.
Want some beer? You take me here.
Is the Korean town that I walked through earlier when everything was closed. And now that it's about 1 o'clock, it's like almost everything is closed again. So this is my first day in Bangkok since I was last here in 2010. I don't really remember how it was back then, so I can't tell you how much it's changed, but it's kind of the same vibe still. And my hotel is close to the Nana BTS train station, so there's a lot going on in this area. This is Sukhumvit 8. I'm on Sukhumvit 6. Good restaurant over here called DET5. Saw another YouTuber talking about it. I had breakfast there. Nice English breakfast. It was pretty good. So maybe I'll go there tomorrow too. Let's see, now I gotta cut through. Wow, a lot of stuff looks like it's kind of dead now. A couple of cool bars around here that were pretty busy when I was heading out around 10 o'clock. Not really that busy now, but still a few people. This place was very busy when I walked by before, and I see it still. Wow. These two places are still pretty busy at like 1 o'clock. Why not bar, Bangkok? Got a few reasons why not. Did a lot of walking tonight. I think I'm gonna stop by a 7-Eleven, get a ice cream, and call it a night.
Okay. No, not this. Okay. One vanilla ice cream. One ice cream. Give it to her. Okay. From your side. Okay. Here. Okay. Okay.
Okay, I wanna pay.
Yeah,
I
you
wanna
can
pay.
pay. You can pay. Thank you.
I wanna pay.
Yeah, you can pay.
But I wanna talk to the police there. I know.
Take it. I will give it. Okay. Hey, bhai.
I don't know what they're beefing about, but
Thank you.
so I got 2 ice creams for 40 bucks. What is that, like $1.30 or something? That's pretty cheap. I don't know if I should eat both of these tonight or put one in the freezer. So guys, that's my walk around Sukhumvit, around Nana and all of that. I guess I'm going to call it a night. I hope you liked this one and found it interesting like I did. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.